If you're seeing CapCut Error 203, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes you can try to get CapCut working again. We're going to walk through updating the app, clearing cache, checking permissions, and if you're on Windows, flushing your DNS. These are simple steps, but they often solve the problem fast and save you a lot of frustration. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's get into it. First, start by checking for app updates. From the CapCut home screen, look to the top right corner and click the update icon. CapCut will scan for any available updates and guide you through the update process if one is found. This is important because Error 203 can sometimes happen when the app version is outdated or there's a compatibility issue with the current release. Once the update finishes, restart CapCut and see if the error is gone. If the problem is still there, the next step is to clear the cache. To do that, go to the menu, then open Settings, then find the Drafts tab. Inside that section, look for cache size and click the trash icon next to it. Confirm the action when prompted. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that can become corrupted over time and cause unexpected errors like this one. After that, close CapCut completely and reopen it to test again. If you're still running into the issue, check your permissions and network access. Make sure CapCut has unrestricted mobile data or Wi-Fi permissions in your device settings. If the app is being restricted by battery saver, background data limits, or network permissions, it may not be able to connect properly and could trigger Error 203. Open your device settings, find CapCut, and confirm that it's allowed to use data freely. On mobile, also check that background activity is not being blocked. Now, if you're using CapCut on a Windows computer and the error is still happening, the next fix is to flush your DNS. This can help clear out outdated network information that may be interfering with CapCut's connection. To do that, press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run dialog. Type CMD and press Enter to open Command Prompt. In the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig flush DNS and press Enter. Wait for the success message to appear, then close the window and try opening CapCut again. This step is especially useful if the issue is related to a network or connection problem rather than the app itself. At this point, one of these fixes should have resolved CapCut Error 203. Start with the update, then clear the cache, then check permissions, and if needed, flush your DNS on Windows. Working through them in order gives you the best chance of fixing the issue quickly without guessing. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and I'll see you in the next video.